This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop a picture into a shape in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I am on Microsoft Word now, and I have an image on my document here. This happens to be an image of my cat. To crop an image to a shape in Microsoft Word, the first thing you want to do is select the image. I'm going to left click on the image to where I have the image selected. Then you want to go up to the top up here. Make sure you're on the Picture Format tab. And off to the right side of the ribbon, right down here is Crop. You want to click on that arrow right below Crop. And then you'll go down to where it says Crop to Shape. Place your cursor over Crop to Shape. You'll slide straight off to the left, and you can select any one of these shapes to crop your image into. I'm going to select this diamond here. Now I have cropped my image into a shape. Now if I wanted to adjust my image inside of the shape, you want to left click on the image to select it. Then you go back up to the top, make sure you're on the Picture Format tab. Go off to the right, down to where it says Crop. Click on the arrow below Crop. Then you'll go down to the very bottom where it says Fit. Click on Fit. Now I can resize my diamond, and I can move my image around. I'm going to have mine about like that right there. Now I'm going to click off of my image. That is how to crop an image into a shape using Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.